All right, here we have the K&N specs. You will gain 8.5 horsepower at 5,491 RPMs horsepower. And as far as torque, you would gain 4.5 foot-pound of torque at 3,156 RPMs. It's much better than what it's getting, I guess. Welcome back to another video. If you would like, subscribe, share this video. I want to thank all my subscribers, all my viewers. I don't take that lightly, but today we're gonna be removing this AIRBOX here, and we're gonna put a K&N air filter in here. So this whole box moving, and we're gonna put that in today. Without further ado, we're gonna get right into this. Ain't no need of wasting y'all time. But first, what you want to do is remove your negative cable battery. Which is here, and that's a size 10. All right, it should look like that right there. All right, next what we're gonna do is remove this harness here. Simply pull that, put it down on the tab. That's it. All right, what we're gonna do next is loosen this screw here for this clamp, and this screw here for this clamp. All right, I want to get a close-up so y'all can see what I did to get this off. And I'm telling you, it took me about 30 minutes to get it off. So I'm gonna tell you, you're gonna need some patience. So they give you this little clip. Well, it ain't even clip. This little piece right here. And what you have to do, as you can see, it's a little metal piece there. And it's one on this side. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there, right here. So what you have to do is basically center this piece here. This little piece that I got, it comes with the kit for the K&N filter I'm gonna put on, and you just have to work with it. But make sure you get it in between this piece here and the back piece, and you just gotta work with it. All right, what you want to do next is just pretty much pry off like these little push pins and stuff. You want to use this to pry up on the wire harness here. Just like so. Get that out the way. This loose, you should be able to pry up on this box. All you have to do is snatch up on the box like that. Get all that up out of there. Just like so. Take this loose right here, and I'm gonna be back, and we're gonna install that air filter in here. All right, while we off in here, and you have this open up, you don't have to do this if you don't want to, but you should. As you can see, this turbo here is already like a lot of nasty oil residue in it. Me, I'm gonna wipe that out. There's no need of not wiping that out when it's already open. Just to get some of that out of there. This car only has 65,000, and as you can see, the turbo looked pretty bad with all that heavy built up on it already. I don't know how many miles they change their oil at what intervals, but me, with a turbo like this, I think you should do it sooner than what the dealership says. I don't know if they recommend 10,000, whatever. I always change my oil, especially on turbo engines, every 45, the max, 4,500 miles. All right, I installed the nice air filter here, and I'm gonna show y'all The instructions give you how to put this together, but as you can see, you have your rubber boot there, or sleeve, whatever you want to call it. You got your large clamp, your small clamp. It's easier if you put a socket on there, which is a size 8 on this here. You screw in this little piece that they give you, and you want it to be above this, I don't know what that is, Eiland. Maybe that's what that is, I'm not sure. But, and plug it back into that piece that was so hard to get out. Plug that in. And this is what your sensor harness look like. You should have washers on the main alley wrench ones, and then the other ones is just screw right in. You can't mix this up, so it's very simple. Then you have your large clamp right here to hold your filter on. It ain't going nowhere. And your filter and your bar here with this was the screw that I was turning before, and this is a size 13, and these right here are size 10 on mine, with a washer in between. But other than that, that's it. It's very simple. Anybody can do this. If this was helpful, make sure you like and subscribe, share this video. Thanks for watching.